you going, guys? Thank you for all your support. Just currently did the Rappville floods drone shoot. It's amazing how the power of water and what it can do, but thank you so much. Just remember, if it's flooded, just forget about it. It's not worth your life. No matter if you want to get home to loved ones or whatnot, your life is important to yourself and everyone else's around you. All right, guys, sorry about the wind. It's pretty windy out here. Had to sort of cut the shoot a little bit short because the wind dramatically picked up, but I reckon I got some awesome footage. All right, be safe and I'll talk to you later. All right, catches, bye.